Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to add a recovery phone number to your Gmail account. A quick and easy step that saves you a major headache if you ever lose access to your account. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. Make sure you are signed into the Gmail account you want to secure. Now look to the top right corner and click on your profile picture or the initials of your name. From the drop down menu that appears, go ahead and select Manage your Google account. Once you're in your Google account settings, you'll land on the main overview page. Now focus your attention on the left hand menu and click on the Security tab. This is where all your protective settings live. Scroll down to the security page until you reach the section labeled Ways we can verify it's you. Under this section, click on Recovery Phone. Here, you'll either see an option to add a recovery number if you haven't already, or edit an existing one. Next, click Add Recovery Phone. You'll see a phone number field along with a country code selector. Click the small flag icon and choose the correct country for your phone number. Then type in your mobile number carefully and double check that it's correct. Once done, click Next. And at this stage, Google will send a verification code to your phone, either by text or call. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification. This step is important to confirm that the number truly belongs to you. Remember, if you ever change your number, be sure to update your recovery phone number right away. This keeps and helps avoid access issues in the future and ensures your security settings remain effective. And that's it, guys. You have just added a recovery phone number to your Gmail account, giving yourself an extra layer of protection. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.